Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Daily. I'm Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Welcome to day 4 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge. Thank you for learning with us every day.
Great job finishing yesterday's lesson. Remember, small practice every day creates big results.
Today's lesson is about your home. These are simple English sentences you can use every day. Let's begin. Sentence 31.
I live in a house.
Listen carefully. I live in a house. Again, I live in a house. Now it's your turn.
Excellent.
Sentence 32.
I live in an apartment.
Repeat after me. I live in an apartment. Again, I live in an apartment. Wonderful.
Sentence 33. This is my room.
Repeat. This is my room. Again, this is my room.
Great job. Sentence 34. My room is clean.
Listen carefully. My room is clean. Again, my room is clean.
Excellent.
Wilbert, is your room always clean?
Not always. Sometimes it's clean. Sometimes it's a little messy.
Mine too. I clean it every weekend. I make my bed. I clean my room.
I open the window.
I close the door.
Practice conversation. Donna, do you open the windows every morning?
Yes, fresh air feels wonderful. How about you?
Yes, especially on sunny days. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV in the living room. I cook in the kitchen. I wash the dishes.
Wilbert, who washes the dishes at your house?
Usually I do, but sometimes I hope the dishes wash themselves.
Has that ever happened?
Not yet. I'm still waiting. I do the laundry. I go to sleep.
Tell me about your home.
Sure. I live in a house. This is my room. I make my bed every morning. I open the window. I clean my room. I cook in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. Then I relax on the sofa. Finally, I go to sleep.
Listening practice. Now, just listen. Don't repeat yet.
I live in a house. I live in an apartment. This is my room. My room is clean. I make my bed. I clean my room. I open the window. I close the door. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV in the living room. I cook in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. I go to sleep.
Shadowing practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me.
I live in a house. I live in an apartment. This is my room. My room is clean. I make my bed. I clean my room. I open the window. I close the door. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV in the living room. I cook in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. I go to sleep.
Fantastic. Review.
Today, you learned 14 useful English sentences about your home. These are common sentences you can use every day. Keep practicing. Every repetition makes your English stronger.
You're doing an amazing job. You've already completed 4 days of your English challenge. Keep going. You can do it.
Before you leave, tell us in the comments, what do you usually do at home? For example, I make my bed, I cook dinner, I watch TV, then I go to sleep.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Talk Daily, and share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
We'll see you in day 5.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye, everyone!